We've been talking about Q2 updates that have been coming by. Manglam is joining in with what's happening with Dabur this time around. Manglam?
Well, if you look at Dabur's numbers, they aren't particularly bad, especially given the conditions. In fact, I would rate them as good largely because of a couple of things. You know, the company said that their consolidated revenue will grow in mid-single digits and operating profits will grow in line with revenue, which means that there is no margin compression. And at the same time, mid-single digits is definitely higher than what the larger peers, say someone like Hindustan Unilever, has reported. And more importantly, nearly 85% of their portfolio is now, after the GST rate rationalization, down to 5%, which means that going forward, revenue run rate will only increase. The company said that they anticipate revenue growth to regain momentum in the coming quarters. Yes, there was some short-term moderation in sales during the month of September on account of the GST transition, but here too, nothing really to worry because retail offtake remained fairly resilient. And 60% of their portfolio, which was earlier 12 to 18%, has now come down to 5%. So overall, 85% of the portfolio at 5%. Even if you look at the segments, you know, oral segment, nearly double-digit growth out there. Skincare portfolio, high single-digit growth. Hair oils expected to report mid-single-digit growth in a category which is not growing very fast. And healthcare as well, double-digit growth underpinned by strong volume. So all these factors doing extremely well for them. What is it that did not do well for them? It was the beverages portfolio, which was impacted by higher than expected rains and some floods in parts of the country as well. So barring that, you know, by and large, the internals of Dabur are very strong given the conditions and obviously given what others in the sector have reported so far. So this definitely goes down as a plus for Dabur.
Thank you so much, Manglam, for joining us and giving us all of the details regarding the operational update that Dabur has just given to the exchanges. But moving on.